Hello, my name is Eniana and I am the national makeup artist for Delilah. I'm starting with the Delilah primer. It is super lightweight and really smooths out the skin, giving me that perfect base for a soft glam look. I am gently applying the Delilah primer with my hands, using light upward motions. Say hello to the brand new Wake Up Radiant Elixir in the shade Moonlight, a stunning cool toned oyster pink that brings a soft, ethereal luminosity to the skin. I'm so excited to be one of the first to try it. This versatile elixir can be used in so many ways. Here I'm applying it after my primer and before my skin tint, using just my fingers to tap it in. Look at that glow. It gives the skin a lit from within radiance without feeling heavy or sticky. Now I'm using the Delilah Eye Perfector and I'm gently dabbing it under my eyes. It's lightweight but super effective. It brightens, hydrates and helps reduce the look of dark circles and fine lines. Now I'm using our best-selling complexion brush. It gives the perfect finish and blends every foundation or skin tint so beautifully. I'm applying our skin tint in the shade Opal, which adds that extra glow while keeping the look fresh and natural. Using our Takeover Concealer in the shade Silk now. It's a medium to full coverage formula that brightens and perfects the under eye area, giving a fresh, awake look without feeling heavy. Next step, I'm using our light medium bronzer to softly sculpt the cheekbones and add a natural warmth to the face. Followed by my all-time favorite, the illuminating powder in Luster. It adds a soft, sheer highlight that gives the skin a natural, radiant glow. Look at that glow. For my lips today, I'm using the Pout Lip Liner to softly define the shape, followed by the Magic Lip Savior. It's a lifesaver for dry, flaky lips and gives the perfect touch of color with a juicy, nourished finish. It is super satin and it feels really soft on the lips, not sticky, and it doesn't get stuck into your hair. I'm now going to be using the elixir all over my finished makeup for a targeted highlight. I'm gently tapping it on my cheekbones, temples, and brow bones. It melts beautifully into the skin, adding a soft luminosity that looks so natural. This elixir, it's not just makeup, this is skincare too. It's infused with raspberry stem cells to boost hydration and elasticity, hyaluronic acid microspheres for a plumping, smoothing effect, and bakuchiol, a gentle plant-based retinol alternative that helps with anti-aging. So while you glow on the outside, your skin is being cared for on the inside. The elixir will be available in 2 radiant shades: Candlelight, a warm natural peach for a golden glow, and Moonlight, a cool oyster pink for soft, ethereal luminosity. Finishing off with our hydrating mist for a boost of hydration, radiant skin, and all the skin loving benefits. You can use this anytime throughout the day for extra freshness, hydration, and to keep your makeup looking flawless longer.